Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this cute little box using the Circle Sayings bundle. Here is a cute box that I made using the Circle Sayings bundle. It also includes the 2 3/8 inch punch. I created this template so that I could always remember how to score. It is 10.5 wide by 7.25 tall, and we're going to start by scoring at 1 inch here. This is going to be the flap, and then 4.25. Then we're going to do 5 3/4, and then we're going to do 9. Now we're going to turn the cardstock 90 degrees, and we're going to score at 2. I don't like to score a 1/2 inch. It's a little bit difficult on this side, so I'm going to turn it around and do it. I'll show you. So 5.25, and then 6 3/4, and then I'm going to flip the whole thing 180 and do the 6 3/4 again. It's just easier to score out here than it is to hold the paper and score over there. So now I'm going to cut the box according to the template. So I start by taking the front tab off all the way to there, and then I'm going to kind of go in at an angle here. And then I'm going to just trim this piece straight, and then again at an angle. And then I can trim this piece off. And then I'm going to do the same thing back here. I'm going to cut straight here. And then I'm going to angle it a little bit just to make it easier to put together. And then I'm going to cut off this last tab here. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So now I want to round the corners of the flap and the sides. And I know we don't have a corner rounder, but we do have a lot of punches that are perfect for corner rounding, like this cherry punch. So I created a video showing you pretty much all of the punches that you could use as corner punches. And there are quite a few, just any punch that has this round curve. So you can decide how wide you want the curve to be. All right, now we're just going to fold on all of the score lines and fold these over. And what I love about this box is these 2 tabs are going to hold the box together. So really easy peasy to put together. So I'm just going to put some tear and tape on both of the flaps. And now I'm going to stamp the front. So I have a piece of 3 inch by 3 inch DSP. So I'm just going to use a circle that I've already punched out to draw where I'm going to punch. Now I'm just going to center this on the back here and just very lightly draw around here and erase my pencil marks from the DSP. So now I know where to stamp my circle. I'm using Misty Moonlight. And then I'm going to use Night of Navy for this sentiment because you are awesome. Now I can adhere this to the top of the box. I'm going to tilt it a little bit because it looks like my stamping was a little crooked. Now I'm going to use mini dimensionals all around this piece of DSP. All right, so now I can put the box together. And so you can tuck the flap inside, or you can add a magnet or some Velcro so that it closes on the outside. And then the last thing is to add a little bow. And there is our cute little circle sayings box.